"20 years ago, I set out to design a vehicle that combined the conveniences of a car with the benefits of a bicycle. From the beginning, I knew I wasn't looking to create an electric scooter disguised as a bike. I was looking to create the most versatile and forward-looking electric vehicle possible." I believed that people were looking for a transportation solution that provided practicality, exercise, range, and comfort while reducing the congestion on our streets. I knew that with electrification, there had to be a way to give a bike all of these capabilities while still retaining the legal designation and exercise and environmental benefits of a bicycle. I think one of the coolest things about the Electrom is generator drive. The generator drive allows you to pedal and produce electricity through a generator, and that electricity supplements the energy of the battery. And what this means is you can pedal all the time. You can pedal at a constant cadence against a constant resistance. If you want a little more exercise, you just pedal a little harder and a little faster, and the resistance ramps up very quickly. The Electrom fits into my life in so many ways, and I think what I like about it the most is that it's so convenient that I always use it. And as a result, I am always getting exercise. I am almost never driving our car, and so we're not burning gasoline, which is better for the environment, and it's better for our wallets too, because we're not spending any money on gas.
The PEBL is a fully enclosed, plant-based pedal electric vehicle made for every season. Built and tested in New England, the PEBL is made to withstand all of the weather that we encounter year-round. The body of the PEBL is a hemp and soy composite, laid up with industry-leading non-toxic methods, to produce a shell that is much more durable and flexible than the alternatives of fiberglass or plastic. In the summer, the flexible doors can be rolled up and stowed to give you a cool breeze while you're riding. In the winter, zip the doors down and you're sheltered from the cold and snow. There's even an optional heater available to keep you warm. The base range of the PEBL without pedal assistance is 25 miles. Once you start to pedal, your range starts to increase. We found that you can increase your range by up to 30% depending on how much you pedal. We've also incorporated enough room for up to 3 additional batteries, providing a range of up to 100 miles without even pedaling. When you need to recharge, plug the PEBL into a standard wall outlet and you're fully charged in 2 to 3 hours. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and 3 wheels, the PEBL is classified as an e-bike, so no insurance or registration is required. We also plan on offering a European version with a smaller motor as well as a moped version with a larger motor and a higher top speed. The PEBL comes standard with features you'd expect to find in a car plus more, such as reverse, cruise control, regenerative braking, full street lighting, and a dashboard with a start key and a USB charging port. We needed the PEBL to be practical, so we designed the PEBL to have a large and versatile rear storage space. The PEBL is a 2-seater. The seat behind the rider's seat accommodates 2 small persons or an adult up to 5'11". The PEBL is made for groceries. You can take 6 bags without folding the rear seat up. If you do fold the rear seat up, 8 bags fit easily. Just like a bike, the PEBL has pedals and can give you a full workout if you wish. If you have been wanting to bike but for reasons of health, time, or comfort you cannot, the PEBL can help you fit your exercise into your day. With a cloth interior to reduce noise and rear suspension, the PEBL is a very comfortable ride. We're looking to Kickstarter because we want to go into full production with the PEBL. We need funding for manufacturing space, mold fabrication, and tooling to get us going. If we reach our campaign goal, our plan is to go into limited production of the PEBL this fall, with full production in the spring of 2017. Donating to our campaign will help us make your journey more sustainable. Thank you for your support.